Hello mga pre, diba nung isang video ko ay di ako nakagamit ng Leslie. Pues ngayon right now pinagamit na sa akin ni Munton si Leslie. At dito pinik ko na agad baka may gusto na naman mag gold lane.
Sniper ready.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Nag-set up muna ako dito ng emblem para mamaya mang babalagbag tayo. Dito nahihirapan kami kasi ang kasama ni Mia ay yung kapatid ni Kadita na tank support.
Keep it up. Watch out. My rifle's a little bit grumpy today. Don't blink. Accuracy. Thunder calling. Good choice. Don't blink.
Napitas nga namin dito si Alpha Dot at nag-def na rin ako kasi kiniklear na ni Mia ang minions baka ma-push mahirap na.
Hindi, wow.
Are you serious?
Initiate retreat. An enemy has been slain. Battle spell, initiate retreat.
Magki-clear lang sana ako dito kaso biglang sumulpot si Mia kaya napaback na lang ako.
I'm really sorry.
Don't blink.
Request back.
Understood. Nice weather. Should have brought Harley with me. Aim for the head.
An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat. Unstable network. Request backup.
Understood.
Don't blink. Thunder calling. An ally has been slain. The
Mapipitas na
enemy has
sana dito si
slain
Mia
the
kaso first build pala niya ay Rose na gold.
Killing spree.
Sayang naman.
Double kill.
Anak ng 7 pating kill na naging bato pa. Dito napitas na akin si Mia.
Don't blink. Thunder calling. Keep it up.
My pleasure. You have slain.
Pagkapitas nga dito si Mia pinush na agad namin para makabawi.
An enemy has been slain.
Don't blink. I fight because there's someone I want to protect.
You destroyed a turret.
Don't blink. Life is hard to define. And sometimes one bullet is enough to
Launch
erase.
attack.
Don't blink.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Getting your finger off the trigger is nothing but a sign of surrender.
Napatay nga ako dito ni Chango.
Attack.
Aim for the head. Don't blink.
Pero buti na lang na-revive ako. Ngayong nangyari naman ang nangyari kanina.
If lightning lies in its cruelty.
An enemy has been slain. Shut down. Thunder calling.
Don't blink.
An ally has been slain.
Nice weather. Should have brought Harley with me.
Thunder calling. Our turret is under attack. Lightning rage. Our turret has been destroyed. Don't blink.
Dito nag-clash kami kaya ito ang nangyari.
I usually let others pick sides. Decisions, though.
You have slain an enemy. Initiate retreat. Double kill.
Wow naman!
Launch attack. Ult is ready.
Muntikan na nga ako dito ma-deadball kong walang rose gold, wala na finish na.
Protect.
Request backup. Thunder calling. Enemy killing. Shut down.
This is it.
Face the storm. An enemy has been slain. Thunder calling. Don't blink.
At dito nagka-clash na naman kami kaya ito ang sumusunod na nangyari.
Getting your finger off the trigger is nothing but a sign of surrender.
Don't blink. Killing spree. Request backup.
Don't blink. Stay calm.
Request kill.
Good to be home anyway.
Request backup. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Lightning rage.
Don't blink. Don't blink. Shush.
Thunder calling. An enemy has been slain. Request backup. Okay. Ally has been slain.
Dito nagkamali ako ng pasok kaya na shutdown hero ko.
Our turret is under attack. Has been destroyed. Request backup. Initiate retreat. Okay. Our inhibitor turret
Ay, tanga mo!
under attack.
Pero bumawi naman ako.
Launch attack. Gather at the Lord. Launch attack. Okay.
Not everyone knows what it takes to be a living.
An ally has slain. You have slain an enemy.
Tough.
Mega kill. Double kill. You have slain an enemy. Launch attack. Understood. Team destroyed.
Tatapusin na namin dito baka. Kasi lumakas pa sila kaya di na namin pinatagal.
Destroyed a turret. Don't blink. Your team destroyed a turret.
Yes! Yes!